kublaya pi baro ipidang sngabhaya pi sha kathup khubor menta ka janmit chwaban pha shki khubor ki babnia ngenia pechwa yakimat bakongsan Banjur ka President Kari ban ai jing hikai yaki khenna nadu dangret ban yarap yaki wei ban e bat buram ya kamariang ha kasni rakhe ya ka Children's Day Lawan ra ya kalat ka bathamai ban pen kenria ya baro ki nong trei ki basakot ha ka jingjia batwa ka silgiara tunnel ha Uttarakhand Sedang ka benta ka balai jong ka Shillong Literary Festival menta ka sni ka banne hadu ka khatriu tarik unai win Rakhe ka jila Meghalaya ya ka sni buram ki khna lani ka Children's Day But enlet mikmat ka senabi singkri ya ke India ha ka lempong yele kai Asian Arm Wrestling Cup kaban salong ha Uzbekistan Kikubor ki babnia ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu kala banjur ban hikai ya ki khanna ban yarap ya ki wei bat bandon ya ke chingsngau e bat buram ya ka mei mariang kala ong ba kalong ka bakong sanru ban pen I ya haki ya ka jingdon kam ban pen khoi pen suba ya ka mariang saudong saukun ka President kala kren ya kani katba kadang ai jingkren ya ki khanna na ki school ba pher bat ki ken hun ha Rashtrapati Bhawan ha kasni rakhe ya kasni karpang ki khanna lani ka Children's Day menta kasni kala ongru ba ki khanna menta ki don ya ki jing start technology bat ki yo khambon ki jing tip jingnang bat ki la ban pen I ya ki sap ki phong jong ki ha kari bat ka parthai hi baro ka wei
को मिलना एक साथ मेरे लिए एक सौभाग्य की बात है मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आज आपके उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए मैं बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ आप सदा स्वस्थ रहे और आगे बढ़ते रहे अपने माता पिता का सम्मान करें मातृभूमि में के सेवा के लिए अपने आप को अभी से प्रस्तुत करें और देश का नाम रोशन करें
ha Uttarakhand ka jing ai jing arab kala nang ya chat ban pelat ya komba sau phongut kinong trei ki basakut hasil gyara na ka jingtwa jong ka tunnel ha ka ba dangtei ha Uttarkashi district layo khubor ba ya baro kinong trei ensa penkenria shekichaka basngan hapo ka arphosau kenta kabanwan ensa wanra ya kalat bathamai ban penkenria iki ya ki breu ki basakun lala ban a ya kal air oxygen ka bat ka bam ka di ha ka wei pat ka liang ka sarkar ka la thau ya ka committee ka badon henriu ngut kit khot ha po ka Uttarakhand State Disaster Management Authority ban khmi bnia bat tokit ya ka daw jong kani ka chingtwa ka bala jia ha ka por badang shna ya ka te ka tunnel ka Shillong Literary Festival kalas dang biang ha ka benta ka balai bat la penlong ha words lake menta ka sni bat kan sane hadu ka khat riu tarik menta ubnai ha ka ba ai jingkren ha kane ka sngi u mentri ka tanat ki kam jingo kai per thai uba polengdo ula ong ba ka sarkar kayale ting e ban pli khambon ki lat ki lenti khambon ki snat bat kiran san u Dr. Vijay Kumar D ubalong u Commissioner bat Secretary jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ula pen pau ya ga jingkermen ba ki tamasa bat ki kam jingo kai per thai ken tiu ya ka roi ka par ha ga jella bat ken la ban ai kam ai jam ya ki kun samla
more outlets, more platforms, and this is what the government is seriously endeavoring. Today we have the MGMP, the Meghalaya Mega Project, Music Project, which is organizing programs on a daily basis to encourage and facilitate a platform for our young stars who are so extremely gifted, as you could see by yourself, who are extremely gifted.
literary festival, taking advantage of the cherry blossom season, taking advantage of all the creative people that are in the state and of the setting that of the Watts Lake and the Shillong offer. So again, it's a matter of huge joy that now we are here 3 years in. The first edition was a huge success. The second edition, unfortunately, we had to curtail it, but it still was the one day. It was a wonderful event, and now here we are.
Katanat Arts and Culture trong Kasorkar Meghalaya kan sa itu sa kumba Henry Tuli Kishnong kum ki Arts and Crafts Villages trong Gajala ya kani lale kum Shibanta trong ka Tamasa Dry Hills Ensemble 2 kabatmu ban kentu ya kariti dostor bariuspa trong ki laijat ki jat ben riulum kata ki Khasi ki jaintia bat ki garu da kabapen inam ya ki jingshna ki paper jong ki kaput katem kabam kadi kajingshat tan rai bat ki way ringkat bat katien pira rooted in nature and connected to culture u commissioner bat secretary ka arts and culture iba fr kharkongor ila ong ba la penlong ya kani katamasa khnang ban penyaso bat ka menor ya kani lale kum shibanta jongka jan jatia gaurav diwas bat ka jirakhe ya ka tayo hamara sankalp Wiksit Bharat Yatra kaban sasdang nadu ka khatsantarik menta ubenai.
This kind of visibility, we hope that the younger generation in those villages also they hold on to those to that heritage, and that it gets amplified and expanded, because many a time what the danger is that the older generation, once they pass away, then the next generation may not be too interested. They come and migrate to the cities, and they forget those priceless legacies. So by taking up these kind of activities, we hope that it will contribute towards the younger generation of those villages to appreciate more deeply all the skills and the priceless heritage of their forefathers and of their parents, and that they continue and that they pass on the torch to the next generation as well.
Menteri Badai Kami ia katanat cooperation iba Komingwan Omban henen kasngi ila pli perda ya katayo lekmen jongka All India Cooperative kabahinyau pau hamus im Shangpung West Giant Hills District halor kapang pedeng. Role of Cooperative Marketing India, a $5 trillion economy and sustainable development goals. Kabala penlong da ka office jong u registrar katanat cooperation jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya haringkat bat ka Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited ka Rural Finance Meghalaya Livelihoods and Access to Market Projects bat ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency haba ai chingkren ha kani kasni iba ombon ila kadaw halor ka chingkongsan ban pen klein yaki cooperative movement bat ban pen shlur yakit khot ban treshitam ban pen prekam yaki project jongka sarkar ha ki rukom ki badai
ATM
Sarkar kepala Irab ingin hibun ki bantah.
Mana kali last month nakaliang Chief Minister Berdon Borom Jongi Konrad K Sangma dang launch ko way scheme ko mangikot ka CM Elevate. Hagani ki scheme ka don ka website karpa di pi bapin subha bane page ngasnyo ko jing kwa ko jing angnor ko jong pi nagata ban pengkiu yaga kam tourism ban pengkiu ban long piu entrepreneur
Kajing rakhe ya kadiwali kabasan po ar ha gomligaw kabadon ha Southwest Karo Hills kalalong kabapernai bat thaba da kajing thang yaki light bat kajing le kemen kat kum ka culture ha ka khat ar bat khat lai tarik menta ubenai kajing rakhe diwali kabala itho kum kajing le kemen kabahe tam ha Garo Hills ka gomligaw ka lakalalong kashnong kabadap da kajing kemen kabawan lam lang haju yaki kenhon baper ha kani kajing le kemen Hagani kasngi lawan ban yashim benta da unong yalam ka AITC bat umentri rangba gajala barim u Dr. Mukul Sangma. Kajing ele banyo ya kajing itu lani ka geological indication tag na kabenta uksai rendia jong gajala Meghalaya kadang ya chat layatu u commissioner and secretary jong ka tanat textiles iba Frederick Kharkongor habak ren bat kilat pathai kubor iba Kharkongor ila ong ba ka Meghalaya Rendia Producers Association kala dep ban ai ya baro ki kot don kam ban penshisha ya kajing kam ya uksai rendia Uksai rendia udon ya kabenta kabakar pang Haribhoi district kabadon ya ka Eri Silk Center kabakongsan da gajinya so kishnong ka umden D1 cluster ban tau ya ka jela penmi ya kiksai Eri Silk ha gajela Harengkat bat ka North East Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation katanat kalapel light ya ka QR coding na kabenta uksai rendia
D1 in the past few years they were just weaving just as a pastime, but then now you see the value of of India being promoted, and the name is spread far and wide, even across the national borders, and even at the level of Prime Minister and dignitaries, they are appreciating our India, and even you can see the the subtle change even in the dressing of our women in Khasi Hills. Now they're switching on towards Rindia. Before it was, dharas and Jensens. But now wearing Rindia is something which is an article of, of aspiration, because it's something of their own. It's a uniquely made Meghalaya product.
Harengkat kaperthai barok kawai ka Meghalaya ha kasngi baar kalarakhe ya ka Children's Day. Hanong ba Shillong larakhe ya kani kasngi ha ki school ba pher ha ka ba ki khana school ki laya shimbanta ha ki program ki babun jaj Hanong po ka St Anthony Secondary School jong kashnong Kharpati kalarakhe ya kani kasngi da ka jing play perda ya ka building ba thamai jong kani ka school bat ka jaka shong thai da u MLA ka nong po uba Meral Bonds im Ya kini ki building lala bantai bat pen erlong lengba ka MLA scheme bat ka jingno senyang na ki babuan balang ha ampati ka buat penyait district haringkat ka ICDS bat MSRLS kila rakhe ya ka Children's Day halor ka phang pdeng for every child every right hakani ka jingrakhe la penlong ya ka jingele kai ba kenthop ya ka indoor bat outdoor games bat kiwei U sambut Menteri Rangba Jong Gajala uba sniaw bahalang dhar ubadeiru u MLA Nanartiang constituency ula play perda ya ka football tournament kabala ainam ha ka kerteng gajong u ka third sniaw bahalang dhar football tournament 8,000 arphulai bala penlong ha mini stadium ha ka snong wa ya jel ha ka snginang kong baladem Hakani ka lempung ya lek kai football la sakhi ya gi jinge shimbanta chongki riu phawai tali ki kan hun na ka nyau pho artali ki snong chong kan nartiang constituency da ka jingdon chong baro 6,000 praspa lai phongot ki nong ya lek kai football ha ka program play usniaw bhalang dhar ula ong ba ya kani ka lempung la ju penlong shisin ha ka sausnem bat ka dei kerpang na ka benta ki nong ya lek football na nartiang constituency
Optimak sekam guleweli kondusi yogi war hejoi por rabel district yogi. Ai kuble le ko he le TSA go mi horo. Wat kam jo wi go he go WJSA go na. Ai kuble yoro go mi de betul ne bha le lo re go kan thai wa chindang wa kan ro kan lo paman be man pa. Kham tam mi pi kin ru pha wi li tin suda. Man gino pencok indirectly kan tournament budang lo di kam di pai ko si horo go wi.
Ka senabi singkli kanong yelek kai arm wrestling kabatbit kaba shong basa halum ding jong kashnong umden kabahap hapo Karibhoi district jong Gajala Meghalaya kaladep ban penkre ban mikmat na India ha kalempung yelek kai Asian Arm Wrestling Cup kaban salong ha Uzbekistan nadu ka khanyo hadu arpusan tarik unai wing 8,000 arphulai ka singkli dangshen ka ladep ban yeshimbanta ha ka National Arm Wrestling Championship 8,000 arphulai ka ba sapusan ha Jammu and Kashmir ha ka ba kalayo ban khur artli ki takmaksiar bat artli ki takmarupa Ka Meghalaya People Social Organization na Ribhoi District kalalet ban yakendo ya ka singli ha kasngi baar ban penslur bat aimen siam yaka bat kalano senyang ru na kabenta ka jinglet ke jongka ban yashimbenta ha kate ke lempung ka ban salong ha Uzbekistan.
I Christian but while I'm similar yana te nakliang jungaru ngan yele ngapasang banele bha banra wanda ya ka number kuram ya kari boy district but ya ka jilla bakari hi brokawai te nakarpat yang katu ik phiki para samla ba kinu ki badan ya ka sabkapong kijing rata da pide ben pina kam bha ya ka sabkapong nanta nakarpat ru ya ka sarkar bakat be khmi yengi kum ki samla nama kumuni ki ba sya select ban represent ya kari nisam sibun kijing ya justam hakali yang kapisa katingka namar nimyo watak sitika ru na kasokar
mentangin ya pet ya kijing long jingman kasun beneng hasilong kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius bat kajing kret kalong 10.9 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong san popra na ka shispa men step bat rio phokhandai na ka shispa janmin kasun beneng kan rang hasilong Shwaban Poisha kabakut jong kathuk kubor ngin ya pet biang sashisin ya kimat bakong san Banjur ka Presiden Kari ban ai jihikai ya ki khanna na du dangrit ban yarap ya ki wei bat ban iet bat burom ya kamariang ha kasni rakhe ya ka Children's Day Lawanra ya kalat ka bathamai ban penkenria ya baro kinong trei ki basakut ha ka jingjia batwa ka silkiara tunnel ha Uttarakhand Sedang kabenta kabalai jongka Shillong Literary Festival menta kasni kabanne hadu ka khanriu tarik unai wing Rakhi gajala Meghalaya ya kasni burom ki khna lani ka Children's Day But enet mi khmat ka Sinabi Singli ya ka India ha ka lempung yele kai Asian Arm Wrestling Cup kaban salong ha Uzbekistan. Te paralok dakitu gi khubor ngila poisha ka bakut jong ka thop khubor chungi menta ga janmiet hadu bangin daya shembyang bat phi la shai kasngi khublai phi baro.